How to log in to Hulu account. Welcome to Let Me Help and let's get right into this easy tutorial. For this, launch your preferred browser in your device. Search for Hulu in the search bar or just type in www.hulu.com. You'll be redirected to its official homepage. You will see an interface similar to like this. To log in into your Hulu account, tap on the three horizontal line, then tap on the login option. Then just enter email address that is associated with your Hulu and select on the continue button to log in into your account. You will have to enter your password of it. If you want Hulu, Disney Plus, and ESPN, you can check out the package of it. If you want all three, just tap on Get All Three option. For this as well, you may have to log in into your account. Just select on the package, then enter email address and password associated with your account and tap on Continue. Now you can enjoy your favorite TV shows, series, movies, and more. That sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.